Welcome to FinanceSenpai. In this video, we will cover emergency funds, your financial safety net. Here's the hook. The only thing effective against life happens scenarios is to prepare as best you can. Now life, as great as it is also like a loving, caring teacher with a cruel sense of humor. If you present yourself as ready, it will test you. If you're slacking off, not paying attention, it will make an example out of you. I believe both lead to the same end goal of making you better. Of course, that's only if you choose so. One car breakdown, one surprise medical bill, one missed paycheck. That's all it takes to wreck your finances, unless you have an emergency fund. Today, I'll show you why an emergency fund is your first line of defense. Part 1. Why emergency funds matter. Because life happens. The question isn't if you'll face unexpected expenses. It is simply a matter of when. Without savings, most people turn to credit cards, which only creates more debt. I have a video on what debt is, and what it really should only be used for. You can check it out after this one. An emergency fund keeps small problems from becoming big financial disasters. Also keep in mind that an emergency fund should always be growing. Reach an amount you feel comfortable with, but never stop adding to it. Something will always add up, but nothing is nothing. Part 2. How much do you need? Start small. Once you hit that, aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If your needs are $2,000 a month, your full emergency fund should be between $6,000 and $12,000. It sounds big, but you build it one step at a time. This doesn't happen overnight. Part 3. Where to keep it. Where to keep your emergency funds. Most should be in an easily accessible account. The rest should be held in a safe 4 times when you need instant access to cash. Your emergency fund should be safe and accessible. That means a high-yield savings account not invested in stocks, not locked away. You want to earn as much interest on your money as you can. But more importantly, you want quick access when life happens. Yeah, he's definitely getting robbed walking out the bank like that. Don't do that. High-yield savings accounts offer some of the best interest rates you can get with a savings account. That's 4% annually on the low end, and up to 6% in some cases. Most fall somewhere in between. Nevertheless, it's far more than what a regular savings account will get you annually. Part 4. How to build it. Use a snowball method and start small. It will build up over time, and you can always make adjustments. Consistency beats size. Even $25 a week adds up over $1,300 a year. Sell something you don't use. Set aside tax refunds. Cut one expense and redirect the savings. Every dollar you add is peace of mind. I challenge you. Open a separate high-yield savings account, name it emergency fund, and put $50 in it this week. That's the start of your safety net. If you can't do $50, do however much your situation allows. The goal here is to get it started. When your future self looks back on how far you came, the amount in your emergency fund will shock you. Remember, believe in the you that believes in you. Thank you for watching. If you found any value here, please subscribe and stick around for more. In the next video, we'll talk about debt, what it is, why it drags you down, and how to finally escape it.